negative pressure will come high.
Yeah.
Indirectly flow.
Yeah. So level will go high. I will get one
level will increase and flow will decrease.
Yes. Level will increase. So I get LSH and I get a PAL here.
Here, this is the vernic pump. It's working by the VFD. Sometimes you are adjust that one to work in 70%. So it will work to give you constant flow. So in case the pressure coming little bit more, again, the VFD should be increased. So that's why should not depend on the level. It depends on the pressure transmitter.
Okay.
This is
what is the purpose of this PT then? What is the purpose?
This is the pressure indicator, the pressure transmitter.
Pressure transmitter.
No, why?
Because higher.
Because it measures the pressure buildup of the membrane.
Okay. LSH.
If it is going high, then
you need cleaning.
you need cleaning.
Yeah, okay.
Otherwise, it should be in
Okay. So I local indication and I like it. Local.
So it should be a recovery cleaning or it should be a maintenance cleaning. It depends on
And
the application. There are two types of cleaning.
Place.
You can put CIP system in the
And okay, and I'm sorry, I'm not understanding. Probably I do not have the experience of this one.
Yeah.
If this blocks, how do I come? What is my first signal to understand this is a blockage?
This is your pressure is slightly increased. If it is increased from a set point,
Okay.
then it will give alarm and CIP system.
Okay. So this PIT, I'm not seeing any high pressure here. Any indication?
No,
No, it is there no sub 6.
PIH will be there. Huh? So PIH.
This alarm will there.
Alarm is there.
Would be three settings. One setting to alarm only. Second